Are you finding it challenging to grow your wealth with traditional investments? Stock markets swing unpredictably, and cash savings often can't keep pace with the rising costs of living. With markets so volatile and saving rates lagging behind inflation, many investors are searching for alternatives that offer both stability and meaningful returns. Short-term loan notes may be the solution. These investments allow you to lend directly to projects like litigation or residential property, receiving fixed regular interest payments, often at rates much higher than typical savings or government bonds. Join me on the 29th of May at 2 o'clock UK time for our exclusive webinar, How to Generate Reliable Passive Income from Short-Term Investments. We'll explore how loan notes can provide predictable, steady income, diversification beyond the stock markets and cash, terms tailored to your needs, often just 6 months to 3 years, and how transparent and straightforward an investment process this is. Don't let your money be eroded by inflation or lost in the stock market swings. Discover how short-term loan notes can help you build reliable passive income in today's uncertain world. Secure your spot for the 29th of May at 2 o'clock UK time. Take the next step forward toward financial confidence.